Today is the sad end to this HJ60. And what I mean by that is we're gonna be cutting up everything on her. For some crazy reason, the frame on this truck is immaculate. It's in excellent shape, and everything from the roof down has solid metal. So we're gonna be harvesting that stuff off the truck today so it can go on to other donors. So we're gonna do just a quick time-lapse video of me cutting this whole truck up and kind of what that process looks like. So hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the other side.
I was born on the Mississippi bluffs in the cold, dark winter months. Never worried about having me enough till I saw that river run and the river runs. Yeah, the river runs. Cross the bridge into Arkansas where they raise those skinny dogs. I met me, this older girl. She opened up a whole new world in the river runs. Well, the river runs wide, the river runs deep. River don't get tired and the river don't sleep. Take me where I wanna be. Let your water wash over me.
Well, geez, this thing took a little longer to strip down to the point that she's ready to be cut up than I thought. Some of this stuff is just, you need to take some care, like the windshield, you don't want that to be broken, and the headliner, just very tedious items to be taken off. But now we're at the point where we're ready to kind of diagnose where we're going to cut. We're definitely going to be cutting some rockers, all the rear quarters, the roof is no good, and this cow. So other than that, that's all we're going to cut off. The rest is probably going to go to junkyard. So if there is a cut that you're looking for, please reach out, comment below. I might have it still, or I might have another parts truck that does have it. So let's get the saws all out. Let's get started.
Time passed all too soon. Think about those delta moons. Words of wisdom from one old man said never try to hold it too long in your hand. What's he doing? He's at it again! 'Cause the river runs. Yeah, the river runs. Well, the river runs wide, the river runs deep. River don't get tired and the river don't sleep. River, take me where I wanna be. Don't let me take no more than I need. I was born on the Mississippi bluffs in the cold, dark winter months. Never worried about having me enough till I saw that river run and the river runs. Yeah, the river runs. Yeah, the river runs.